We'll guide you through how to fix stick drift on your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, we want to go and make sure the Joy-Cons are actually up to date. To do that, come to the bottom row and then go and click into System Settings. Then all you need to do is scroll down to Controllers and Sensors and scroll down here until you see the option for Update Controllers. Click there. It'll then go and see if there's an update. For me though, they're already up to date. If there was an available update and it's been completed, then what you can do is go and see if the stick drift has now been fixed. Next, while we're here, let's go and make sure the whole console is up to date as well. So go and click into System, then System Update, and it's going to go and see if there's anything available. For me though, it's up to date. Once again, if there was an update available, you can now go and see if the stick drift has been repaired. Next, let's go and reset the Joy-Con which is experiencing the stick drift. So all we're going to do is go and detach it. So just hold the quick release and then pull up. And what you want to do is come onto the side. To go and reset a Joy-Con, all you need to do is go and press this button here. As you see, the lights will go and disappear. And then what we can do is go and reconnect it to the Switch, slide it down, and then go and see if the problem has now been fixed. If you're still experiencing stick drift, then what we need to do is head back to the settings, just like so, come to System Settings, and once again we need to scroll all the way down to Controllers and Sensors. And what we want to do is scroll down here, and we can actually go and calibrate the control sticks. So this may go and solve the problem. So as you can see, it says tilt and hold the control stick you wish to go and calibrate. For example, if you weren't moving the control stick, but you can still go and see the dot, that incurs there could be a problem. And also if the circle color changes when the control stick is rotated out of its area, that could also be a problem as well. Then what we can do is go and press X and we can then go and recalibrate. You should only do that though if something is wrong. But go and do it. And then as you can see, it says push the control stick towards that arrow. So I'll do that now, then release. And you do the same for the bottom one, and it'll basically go and guide you through what you need to go and do. And the final thing we can try is to come and look on the Joy-Con itself. And what you want to do is just go and look, because this is where like the Joy-Con actually is. Just make sure in this area here, there's no debris, right? Or dust or things like that. So if you've got anything like compressed air, then what you could do is sort of give it a spray around in there, or even just blow it with your mouth and go and see if you can get anything out of there. But if you rotate it around and like spin the whole thing itself, you can go and see if there's any dust or muck in there which could be causing a problem. Mine look pretty clear though, which is good. So yeah, I hope this has managed to fix your problem. If you're still experiencing problems, then you probably need to go and get it properly repaired by Nintendo. If you guys found this useful though and it solved your problem, then please leave a like.